There is something about buka stew that makes it so irresistible. In this video, I'll be showing how to make this simple yet deeply flavorful buka stew. So let's get started. So these are basically all the ingredients we need. I'll be adding a full ingredients to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So this is some dried tatashe that I'm going to soak in hot water just so it could soften up before blending it alongside with the tomatoes. I also have some dried catfish that I'm going to soak in hot water before cleaning up. So to make buka stew, we actually need a bleached palm oil. So to do that, I'll be transferring a good quantity of palm oil into my pan on low heat. Then cover up the lid and ensure it fits in tightly. If your pan lid has an opening like mine, be sure to seal it up using a tape or a paper towel, just anything, just so you don't end up with a smoky kitchen. So this is the time now. I'll just go ahead and open up the doors and windows just so I don't choke in the process of bleaching our palm oil. So it's 15 minutes already and our bleached palm oil should be ready by now. I'll just turn off the heat and allow the oil to rest without opening up the lid. Whenever I want to make your bleached palm oil, don't open up the lid immediately after bleaching just so you don't choke. Okay, it's close to 30 minutes after bleaching the oil and our oil is perfectly cooled now. I was actually prepping other ingredients while the oil was cooling. So to make the buka stew, I'll be transferring some onion strip into the bleached palm oil alongside with some ginger and garlic just for flavor building and allowed to fry on medium heat. So this bleached palm oil is actually the signature taste to an authentic buka stew. So if you want to make buka stew, try and bleach your palm oil. So our onion is perfectly fried now, so I'll go ahead and transfer the tomato pepper blend mix. With me is a mixture of fresh tomatoes, tatashe, scotch bonnet pepper and little onion. I just mix everything together and allow it to fry. So while that's fried, I want to use the opportunity to appreciate our amazing subscribers so far. I say thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. And just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. So our tomatoes is perfectly fried now. It's looking all pretty. Since I'm a fit farm and I encourage healthy eating, I just go ahead and reduce the oil. I'll save up this oil for any time I want to recreate this recipe. Oil is actually good, but eating too much of it at a time is bad. So let's take care of our heart and watch our calorie intake as we eat. Alright, this is okay now. I just go ahead and season up everything using some grounded crayfish, some seasoning powder and salt to taste. For buka stew, there is absolutely no curry and thyme. So I'll allow this to fry for 2 minutes. Okay, this is 2 minutes later. I'll add little water to it in order to loosen up the consistency. If you have meat stock, you can actually use it. So I'll be placing the cleaned fish back into the pan. I actually love the taste that dry fish adds to buka stew. I'll also be adding some boiled egg. Of course, there is no buka stew without boiled egg. If you're making use of assorted meat, you can actually add it now. So at this level, the flavors from this buka stew is going to infuse into the protein. So after 2 extra minutes, our delicious buka stew is pretty much ready. So I'll be pairing mine with some white rice and beans, or you can choose to enjoy yours with some yam, plantain, potato, couscous, just any one of your choice. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.